chapter is a matrix. We are taking some examples to find that what is the matrix and how it is used for the different way. Now question is, if A is equal to 1 1 1 1, then prove that the induction a की power n is equal to 2 raised to power n minus 1, 2 raised to power n minus 1, 2 raised to power n minus 1, again 2 raised to power n minus 1. Over that is you have given that any matrix. You know that what is the A, that is called a identity matrix. And the question by the proof by the induction. Induction in a, I think you have to know that in a class 11 what is the induction. That is the PMI, principle of mathematical induction. So first we have to know that what we do in the induction. तो revise करना induction. Means suppose आपको कोई value given है, then you have to prove that it is a true for n is equal to 1, and it is also true that the n is equal to m. Then now we have to prove that it is also true that the n is equal to m plus 1. That is the way by the induction method. So now we have to solve that question. Here is given a is equal to, what is given, that 1 1 1 1. Okay, now you have to given that what is the value is given, that the value is a means 2 raised to the power n minus 1, 2 raised to the power n minus 1, 2 raised to the power n minus 1, and 2 raised to the power n minus 1. So according to principle of mathematical induction, first we are taking the, if that is the condition is, if that value is true for n is equal to 1. What is that? Is the condition that value is the satisfy the n is equal to 1. It means that is the a raised to the power n, that is the a means 2 raised to the power 1 minus 1, that value is 0, that value is also 0, that value is 0 0 0. So you can get what is the value is 1 1 1 1. Okay, that is also, that is true for n is equal to 1. It is true for n is equal to 1. So it is also true that what n is equal to m. Okay, it is also true that the value n is equal to m. It means that is the equation 1. Second equation, a raised to the power n. It means we can write the value is 2 raised to the power m minus 1, 2 raised to the power m minus 1, 2 raised to the power m minus 1, and here is also 2 raised to the power m minus 1. That is the equation true. Now we have to prove that it is also true that the a raised to the power m plus 1. Okay, according to that question, that is the condition of induction. It is also true that the a raised to the power m plus 1. So now what we can write, a raised to the power m, and that is the value of a. Okay, what is the value of a raised to the power m? That is the value of 2 raised to the power m minus 1. It is also a 2 raised to the power m minus 1, and here is 2 raised to the power m minus 1 and 2 raised to the power m minus 1. And we have to find that the value is the, what is the value of a? 1 1 1 1. That is the value of a. Okay, now both the base are same. So what we can do in a matrices, we have to do the multiplication. How do we solve that? First row and first column. So what we, 2 raised to the power m plus 1, again multiply by 1, then 2 raised to the power m minus 1 is multiply 1. That is the first row and first column. And the second term is 2 raised to the power m minus 1 1 plus 2 raised to the power m minus 1 into 1. Again that row and column means 2 raised to the power m minus 1 into 1, 2 raised to the power m minus 1 into 1. And now same things we do in the second column, 2 raised to the power m minus 1 into 1 plus 2 raised to the power m minus 1 into 1. Okay students, okay, you have to already know that how to we do the product. So we can get 2 times of, okay, that is 2 times of 2 raised to the power m minus 1. Here we can 2 is equal to 2 times of m minus 1. That is a 2 times of 2 raised to the power m minus 1, and here is also a 2 raised to the power to m minus 1. Okay students, any doubt? Here is the base are same, then power is a added. So we can write here 2. That is the base is, the power is a 1. Here is the power is a 1. That power is a 1. That power is a 1. So we can write 2 raised to the power 1 plus m minus 1, and here is a 2 raised to the power 1 plus m, and that is a minus 1. And next one is a 2 1 plus m minus 1. That is a value is a 1 plus m. It is a minus 1. So now we have to prove that it is also true that the value is a 1 plus m. Okay, that is the value is a 1 plus m. That value is a 1 plus m. That value is a 1 plus n. That value is a 1 plus 1. So we can say that it is also true that, so we can write what is that 2m plus 1 minus 1. Then next 1 plus, we can write here is a m plus 1 minus 1. Here is a 2 raised to the power m plus 1 minus 1, and here is a 2 raised to the power m plus 1, and that is a minus 1. That power is okay. So what is the? It is also true that the 2 raised to the power m plus 1. Okay, that is the condition by the induction. We have to prove that it is also true that the 2 raised to the power m plus 1. So now we can say that what is? It is also proved that n is equal to m plus 1 by using induction. Okay, students? Any doubt? I think you have to understand. Hence, prove that. Okay. Now we have discussed about the transpose of a matrix. So what is the transpose of a matrix? Suppose that, what is the meaning of transpose? Transpose means when the row is interchanged the column and column is interchanged to the row, that is called a transpose of a matrix. It is represented by dash sign. What we can represent? Dash sign ya e raised to the power t. That is the symbol we can use in the transpose of a matrix. Means suppose that we have given that any matrix, that is a matrix. It is the form of A, that is the form of n cross n. Okay, so now we have to interchange the matrix in the form of n cross n. Means n, what is the n? That is a row, and m is a column. So we can write n cross n. Row change into the column, that is called a transpose of matrix. Suppose you have given the A in the term of ijth element. That is the ijth elements. Then transpose means A dash, it is a jith elements. That is called a transpose of matrix. Okay, now we have to find that. We are taking some examples for students. Now we are taking some examples of a transpose of matrix. Suppose A matrix is given that there is a value of 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can find the transpose. Okay, then means A dash of A is called T. Means T is representing the transpose. Row is changed to the column, means 1, 3, 2, 4. That is called a transpose of a matrix. Okay, now we are taking the another example. Another example like A matrix given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the type is how many row? That is a 2, and column is a 3. So we have find that the A transpose means AT or A dash. It means that the row is changed to the column and column is changed to the row. Means that is a, what we find that 1, 2, that row is changed into the column, means 1, 2, 3. That row changed into the column, and that row is also a change into the column. Means here is how many rows? There is a 3 rows, and column is a 2. Means we can say that that is a 3 cross 2 matrix. That is a transpose of a matrix. Okay, students. Now here is some properties. Okay, what is the some property of matrix? What is the property of matrix? First property. Okay, suppose that we have given that any matrix A, then you can take the transpose, then transpose of any matrix, and transpose, again you are taking the transpose, it's get the same value. Okay, suppose that you have given that any matrix A, you are taking a transpose, and again you are taking is a transpose, then you can get the same value. That is the first property, or we can just first throw out. Second one, what is? Suppose that you have given that two matrix A and B. They are sum A plus B dash. Okay, so we can say what is a B dash plus A dash. Both the values are equals. Third one, suppose that we have given that a matrix B dash A dash. Okay. Now fourth one, suppose that you have given any matrix A and you can do the multiply of a K. K is any scalar quantity. Okay, then what is the A K dash is equal to K A dash? That is the property of a matrices. Okay, students.